The new year is here, but is your LMS 2020 ready? With shrinking attention spans, decreasing shelf life of skills, increased cognitive overload, and increased mobility, e-learning is now making a shift from flux to focus. Focus on self-driven and self-directed learning, AI-powered learning, learning in the flow of work, business intelligence, analytics, and integrations, all stitched together with a common theme of user experience. The need of the hour is an intuitive learning platform that can be easily leveraged in congruence with your learning and development strategy. But how can you connect the dots between LMS and business impact? What checkboxes do you tick to ensure LMS success? Get expert insights, tips, and tricks on leveraging your learning platform for business goal achievement from seasoned L&D and e-learning professionals. Learn from real client case studies and get your hands on an AI-powered learning management system that's trusted by over 1 million users worldwide.